Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. I've actually had a couple of messages asking me about this kit that is up for sale right now on the Scrapping Reflections website. Has a couple of these rectangle doilies that you saw me use the other day. I think these are awesome. I think it will go great with this kit. But people were kind of like, what's in there? Why didn't you show this one? So I'm going to show this one real quick. So here it is. You're going to get the Botanical Buzz collection pack. So it's 8 double-sided papers and a 9th bonus sheet that's on the reverse of this cover. They are absolutely gorgeous papers. Beautiful florals, things like that. The Botanical Buzz Solids collection pack. This is 8 double-sided papers. And then, of course, the 9th bonus sheet on the back of this pack. You could also cut this out if you really liked this portion. Again, it's funny that, like, they're both burlap papers, but these are both in there. And then there's also these papers that I've added in. This is actually from Chamel's main character Energy. It is this yellowish and white kind of diamond-shaped grid. We got this paper house one right here. Again, these flowers would be beautiful with this, but I love this kind of texty print right here. And this is from Vicki Boutin Storyteller. Yes, this is an older paper, but this teal and pink, I feel like just goes so great with the teal, right? And this is an easy way to bring in pink if you're like me and you love a good teal and pink. Also, we have the Botanical Buzz rub-ons. So 3 sheets of those. This is like a heavily Botanical Buzz. We got the washi tape sheets. There are 2 sheets of those. We got the puffy stickers, which has lots of hexagons, the drippy bits, all kinds of flourishes and words and things like that. We have this daisy trim, which is awesome for all of the daisies that are in this collection. We've got the die cut elements. There's 50 pieces plus lots of extras. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but there are those. Also the 6x8 collection pack, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love that every time I turn this over, it's like a burlap. But you can see these. These right here could be cut down to 2 4x6 cards if you were so inclined. I've also included these florals, which are like the teal and the oranges and the peaches, like the bright yellow bits that really just work with this collection. We got the chipboard words. There are 32 pieces in here, so combination of chipboard like phrases we got and titles as well. And then I threw in these burlap embellishments because I thought that they were awesome as well. And I left the stencil downstairs that is included with this. There is a drippy stencil with this because of the honey drips. And then of course, if you wanted the beehive stencil, that's available in the shop. But the honey drips will be exclusive. So there is that. So anyway, I got some messages that was like, show me what's in this kit. Why did you not do this one as well? And I'm like, I'm sorry guys, I did not realize that I needed to do that, but apparently I did. So like I said, the big rectangle doilies, which are freaking awesome, you guys. I loved playing with these big rectangle doilies. So there are 1, 2, 3. 3 of the big rectangle doilies that will go in this. So that is this kit. If you need me to show you the other kits, I've got a couple left. This one actually has not sold a whole bunch of it yet, and I think it's because I didn't share it, and I've had like 7 people email me or send me a message on Instagram that's like, why did you not show? Wow, that bag is ripped to shreds. Anyway, so that is here. If there's something else you want me to show, leave me a message. I will show it. I know it's hard to show just a still photo. But yeah, these will be up until they're sold. I need to clear out and make room for new stuff, guys. I also have the 49 in Market Flower Emporium. That will be on a sale soon. I'm not going to make that into kits. I'm just going to put that on sale. And then they will probably be a sale on the stencil butters because I need to move those. Because there's a decent amount of those left. I probably got half of those left. And I probably need to buy a couple of them myself because I have like 2 or 3, and there are some colors that I want that there's only like 1 or 2 left. So that needs to happen. But yeah, and guys, if there's something that you want in the shop, please let me know because I would love to stock it for you. All right, happy International Scrapbooking Weekend. I hope you guys are having a great time. I'm going to head downstairs because Christopher is grilling me a steak in celebration. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.